Welcome back to Entrepreneurial Edge. Few pleasures in life are as evocative as a fine cigar. The moment you light one, you're transported to a world of luxury and relaxation. The aroma, the ritual, the slow burn, all combine to create a sensory experience like no other. It's not just about smoking, it's about savoring each moment, each puff, and letting the world slow down around you. But among cigar aficionados, one origin stands supreme: Cuba. The name itself evokes images of sun-drenched fields and masterful craftsmanship. Cuban cigars are more than just tobacco rolled in a leaf. They are a legend, a status symbol, and a testament to centuries of tradition and craftsmanship. Each cigar tells a story of dedication and passion. What is it about these Caribbean treasures that makes them so sought after? Is it the rich, complex flavors or the allure of their storied past? The answer lies in a rich history, a unique production process, and an unwavering commitment to quality. From the fertile soils of the Vuelta Abajo region to the meticulous aging process, every step is crucial. This video delves into the world of Cuban cigars, exploring the factors that contribute to their mystique and their hefty price tag. We will look at the people, the places, and the processes that make Cuban cigars unparalleled. From the voyage of Columbus to the skilled hands of master rollers, we unravel the story behind these coveted smokes. The journey of a Cuban cigar is one of tradition, skill, and a touch of magic. Join us as we uncover the secrets of Cuban cigars and discover why they remain a cut above the rest. Whether you're a seasoned aficionado or a curious newcomer, there's always something new to learn about these timeless treasures. The story of Cuban cigars begins in 1492 with Christopher Columbus's arrival in the New World. This momentous event marked the beginning of a rich and complex history that would intertwine the destinies of tobacco and the island of Cuba for centuries to come. It was here that the explorer first encountered the indigenous Taino people puffing on rolled-up tobacco leaves. The Taino had been cultivating and using tobacco for generations, and their practices intrigued Columbus and his crew. This marked the introduction of tobacco to Europe, where it quickly gained popularity. The Europeans were fascinated by this new plant, and it wasn't long before tobacco became a sought-after commodity, spreading rapidly across the continent. By the 17th century, cigar factories began to emerge in Cuba. These factories became the heart of the burgeoning cigar industry, employing thousands of workers and producing cigars that would soon be renowned worldwide. The island's fertile soil and ideal climate proved perfect for cultivating high-quality tobacco. The unique combination of sun, rain, and rich soil in regions like the Vuelta Abajo made Cuban tobacco unparalleled in quality. By 1676, Cuban cigars were being exported back to Spain. These exports marked the beginning of Cuba's dominance in the global cigar market, a position it would hold for centuries. Their reputation for quality and flavor grew rapidly, making them a luxury item among European elites. Cuban cigars became synonymous with sophistication and status, enjoyed by royalty and aristocrats alike. Fast forward to the 20th century, and Cuban cigars faced a major turning point. The industry had grown immensely, with factories producing millions of cigars annually, but political changes were on the horizon. In 1962, President John F. Kennedy imposed a trade embargo on Cuba. This embargo was a significant blow to the Cuban cigar industry, cutting off its largest market and forcing it to adapt to new realities. This embargo, still in effect today, severely restricted the import of Cuban cigars to the United States, creating a thriving black market. Despite these challenges, Cuban cigars have maintained their legendary status, continuing to be celebrated and sought after by aficionados around the world. The production of Cuban cigars is a meticulous process, overseen by Habanos S.A., the Cuban tobacco monopoly. This organization ensures that every cigar produced meets the highest standards of quality and authenticity, maintaining the rich heritage of Cuban cigars. From seed to smoke, every step is steeped in tradition and expertise. The journey of a Cuban cigar is a testament to the dedication and skill of countless individuals who have honed their craft over generations. It all starts with the seeds, carefully cultivated and cross-pollinated by the Tobacco Research Institute. This institute plays a crucial role in ensuring the genetic purity and quality of the tobacco plants, which are the foundation of every great cigar. This ensures the preservation of Cuba's unique tobacco varieties. These plants are nurtured with great care, benefiting from the island's ideal climate and fertile soil, which contribute to their distinctive flavor profile. Once the tobacco plants are mature, the leaves are harvested and sorted by hand. This manual process allows for the selection of only the finest leaves, which are essential for creating a high-quality cigar. They then undergo a lengthy fermentation process, which can take months to develop their flavor and aroma. This crucial step allows the tobacco to mature, enhancing its complexity and richness. From here, the tobacco is passed on to the skilled torcedores, the master rollers of Cuban cigars. These artisans are highly trained and possess an incredible level of expertise, ensuring that each cigar is rolled to perfection. Using techniques passed down through generations, they transform tobacco leaves into perfectly constructed cigars. The precision and care involved in this process are what set Cuban cigars apart from others. Each cigar is the result of over 500 manual steps, a testament to the labor-intensive nature of Cuban cigar production. This intricate process from seed to finished product highlights the dedication and passion that go into every Cuban cigar, making them a true work of art. But the journey of a Cuban cigar doesn't end with its creation. It culminates in the hands of the enthusiast, where the true magic unfolds. Lighting up a Cuban cigar is an experience that transcends the mere act of smoking. It is a ritual, a moment of reflection, and a celebration of craftsmanship. The first draw reveals a symphony of flavors, with notes of earth, spice, and sometimes even hints of cocoa or coffee. Each puff allows the smoker to appreciate the complexity and depth that can only come from the finest tobacco leaves and the most skilled hands. The smoke dances gracefully, carrying with it the legacy of Cuba's rich cigar-making tradition. Pairing a Cuban cigar with a fine drink, be it an aged rum or a well-crafted whiskey, enhances this experience further. The flavors intertwine, creating a harmonious balance that delights the senses. It's a moment to savor, a testament to the artistry involved in every step of the cigar's journey. In conclusion, the allure and mystique of Cuban cigars, combined with their storied past and meticulous craftsmanship, make them a luxury item cherished by aficionados worldwide. Thank you for watching.